For this match, first referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Severino Cilia, National Referee. Calling on our starting lineup from our Rizal Technological University, Blue Thunders. Let's start off with their setter, number 1, Al Nasil Dulahid. At number 3, team captain, Sabtal Abdul. Wearing jersey number 6, Jaidal Abdul Majid. At number 11, Jaminel Campoy. Wearing jersey number 14, Sahud Masahud. And at number 16, Carlo Sebastian. Libero number 10, Kenneth Biking. Head coach, Mr. George Pasqua. Calling on our Far Eastern University, Tamaraos. Let's start off with their team captain, number 3, Manolo Refugia. At number 7, Lucky Margate. Wearing jersey number 8, Jeric Gakutan. At number 9, Joshua Barika. Wearing jersey number 15, Joel Kayaban. And at number 16, Greg Dolor. Libero, number 5, Rico Marmeto. Head coach, Mr. Florentino Kid Santos. This is game 2 of the finals for the bronze. Good luck to both teams.
Pag si Maki Puela talaga nagsalita, no, parang sinasabi niya sa players, nasa airport ka somewhere. Di ba? Nasa Thailand ka o kaya nasa Korea ka. All aboard. Oh. Di ba? So, all aboard na ho tayo sa laro to. Anong basa mo sa men's tournament natin? Anong impact ng men's tournament na ginawa ng Shakey's League for the first time?
You know, ang tagal na natin na pag-uusapan yan. Alam natin that a lot of people also watch the men's game. At iniintay nga nila, actually baliktad nga eh, inaantay nila kailan ba magkakaroon ng men's games, so yung tournament sa B-League. Eto na, nasimulan na natin. And I think nagustuhan naman ng ating mga viewers, ng mga volleyball fans.
Balita ko, we have a very feisty collegiate tournament coming up in the next year because aside from the collegiate league, I'm sure the guys will welcome another tournament pag natapos yung kanilang collegiate.
Alam mo, ang daming pakulo, di ba, na inahanda for next year.
At ang balita ko, sasali ang Ateneo at ANU. Yan balita.
Right.
Which are the top leading teams sa UAAP naman. Samantala, tuto nating maagang umusbong ang RTU. Some faulty receptions on the part of FEU. Here we go. Here's the set. Up.
That's it. Yep. Lifting violation called against Dulahid.
Yung spin ng bola, no, na ispatan agad ng ating referee. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Minsan kasi mas lalong binabantayan yan ng ref if they're too low. Yung katulad nun, halos lumuhod na. Yan, bantay na bantay ang referees natin.
Most likely, naalanganin na sa magiging parang lift na yun. 3-1 ang score natin. RTU hoping to extend the series. They lost the first game between these two in the battle for the bronze medal. One-handed set.
Oh, nicely done. FEU takes the point. Swabing-swabe. Kahit one-handed set.
Yes, indeed. And we have Margante. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan ito. Matutuwa si Ate Bin ito. Lucky Margante.
Lucky.
Ito na. Margante with the serve.
That's going to be long.
Ito naman ang problema sa men's game. Yung service nila talaga. When it's out of control, it's out of control. More chances being taken.
More muscles ba kasi?
Ewan ko. Magandang tanong yan, ano? Of course, Joy Sultanes will disagree.
Pwede.
Here's the set for Gagutan. It's kept in the air. Nice set. Nice hulog. Bitin.
Maganda sana. It was a good read by Jaidal, but not enough power.
Jaidal ending up short there, and Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's V-League. Score is at 3-4, 3 serving against 4. Setup job. Pinaluan, tinaas. Ang ingay din ng mga lalaki, ano ha? Samantala, nice drop that time by Barica. In play. The attack. Ang tagal din ng rally.
Ang ganda. Another push.
Barica. Pinaluan na.
Ganda ng adjustment. Oh, but no adjusting to that.
Napakainit naman ang ulo nito si Jaydal. Saya-saya eh. Tinapos. Tingnan mo ha.
Ito yung exclamation point dun sa mahabang rally.
Kinargahan naman kasi.
And look at the wind up.
Barica, double block. Recycling the offense. Oh, ito na naman.
Dagapuel.
Umalog ang ating antena and RTU is jubilant. 6-3 ang ating score. That's Jaydal making things happen here and still serving. Number 16, that is Carlos Sebastian. Gusto ko facial expression nitong si Sebastian pagka hindi niya nagawa yung gusto niyang gagawin. Para siya napalo ng nanay niya. Set up. Oh, nice quick.
That's right. I like the timing of that quick hit.
Si Dulahid. Yun yung sinasabi mo kanina at top of the broadcast. Yung diskarte nung setter, ha?
Look at this. Yan ang tamang diskarte sa quick. Why? Inaabot. Diba yan ang lagi sinasabi ng coach. Kailangan isubo mo yung bola dun sa quicker. In fact, yung quicker, ang gagawin lang niya, papasok, tatalon lang. Dapat yung setter ang nagsusubo ng bola.
Well said. In the meantime, it's in the air. Free ball to free ball. Rarely happening so far. Pinaluan. Binanatan.
Bumawi. Dolor.
And Greg Dolor rubbed it against the double block. And that didn't last very long. It's now 4-7 as Jeric Gakutan will serve for all of us. Casual serve. In the air it goes. Dulahid got to it. Double block. Nice closure by Dolor and Barica.
That's right. Sebastian with that back row attack. Sakto doon sa blockers na FEU. Basang-basa.
Ito yung expression niya. In the meantime, let's still stay with the serve. It's in the air. Nice set.
That's going to be a net violation.
Kita-kita. Alam mo, Barica.
He says that this league has greatly improved his young team's confidence dahil karamihan nga sa kanila ay first time lang maglaro dito sa Shakey's V-League. Confidence din ang nag-improve sa RTU, sabi ni Coach George Pascua, but they have to improve on their desire to win. 7 Mosi?
Absolutely. Kasi may times yung RTU, pagka naunahan sila, medyo may katamarang pumapasok. Nice double block and they're ahead 9-5.
That's right. RTU now with 4 attack points. FEU having half with 2. At ang dami na. 4 na errors ng FEU. RTU isa pa lamang.
The set goes to Barica. It's on the net and bounces out. Don't forget, Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. 9-6 count. You're watching the series for third where FEU won the first game against their opponents, Rizal Technological University. Maganda yung report ni Ira at we get an insight into how the teams assess their performance so far in this very short, in a way, pocket tournament. Nice dig up that time. And parang mga ninja, you know? Nice pick up by Barica. Barica will get it anew.
Oh, and Barica smartly using the blockers of RTU for that hit, for that point. Tatlong blockers ang galing sa RTU. Wala na siyang pupuntahan kundi yung off the block hit.
Yes, indeed. Ang mga revelations din sa RTU, itong libero nila si Kenneth Biking.
Ayan, isa pa yan. Parang hindi ko alam kung matagal niya ng inocular tong arena. Yan yung bawat kanto, parang memory na pinupuntahan.
Lagi ko, tutulog dito yan paggabi. 10-7 ang score natin. RTU is ahead. And medyo nagbago expression ng FEU as we saw the play being called now by Refugia. Manolo Refugia. Mamerto. Free ball forthcoming. Bihira ang free ball sa lalaki.
Yes.
Kombinasyon. Hinawakan ni Mamerto. Labas.
And madalas yan ang resulta. You pay for it. Pa? When you give a free ball.
Mamerto,
This is Rico Mamierto.
oo, pagka pala free ball, you will pay for it, kasi uupakan ka agad nung kabila. Huwag kakaligtaan sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, katola gamitin. Proudly, kawang Pilipino.
Kaya madalas sa lalaki, yung tama ka, na bihira ang free ball. Kung free ball man, pahihirapan pa rin yung kalaban na sa mga corners dadalhin.
Nice connection that time as Mazahud, the quicker of RTU, jumping up and down, taking Dulahid. And Coach Skid Santos doesn't like what he see. This should be a sermon.
Dito natin sa maliit lahat ng play. Dito na dito.
Tapos, ba't ba nakapokus na naman kayo sa atake natin?
Receive muna, receive. Wala tayong papaluin pag di tayo nag-receive.
Ginagawa lang na sa agad sa depensa.
Mukhang may demokrasya today sa FPU. Pinababayaan ni Kid magsalita yung mga young assistants niya.
Right. I really think yung kanina dun sa report nga ni Ira, sinabi niya yung na natutuwa si Coach Kid sa nangyayari dun sa kanyang young team. It's really more for character forming, diba? Kung dahil papasok na nga sila dun sa UAAP tournament.
Alam mo, atat din itong FPU makapasok kasi nasira yung parang hierarchy ng volleyball sa UAAP kasi pumasok na yung Ateneo, sumundot na NU. Dati, domain ng FEU yan at UST.
Tama.
Eto na, nag-shift In the meantime, here is the serve. In play, Viking got it.
Oh! Whoa! What a hit! Ang lakas naman nun.
May itaulo ni Abdul.
Yes. Sa Tal Abdul on that open hit.
Ito mo, ang iinit ng ulo pero pag bagsak, nakangiti lahat. Kasi sarap naman ng feeling talaga makatusok. 13-8 ang bilang natin. First set action. And don't forget, the Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery Pang matagalan. Pasok ba, Rep? Yes, pasok. 13-9. So hindi ka pala kasali dahil medyo hindi ka namin masyado nakasama. Hindi ka nasali doon sa 5 set. Dominated talaga ni Noreen talaga.
Akala ko makakahabol si Noel
Wala, no? Si Noreen give up na Mga referee, pag nakikita si Noreen, wala na. Alam na nila.
Nababasa ko nga doon sa tweets niya. Natatawa ako
Nangaasar pa si Miyaka.
Sa pa yun.
Favorite namin ho kasi, may contest ho kami ng 5 sets, paramihan ng 5 sets coverage. Lamang ho si Noreen. Nangaasar ho yung Miyaka, sabi niya, go figure. Ito, score natin. 10-13, Refugia will reserve. Manolo Refugia. Go figure. Dulahid with the set. Nice drop.
Abdul once again, this time of a drop shot, of a tip.
Ang babae, joyful silang mag-celebrate. Ang lalaki, sapakan,
Batukan.
Batukan. Pagkatapos, yan. Yay! Tapos batukan. Bakit? 14-10.
Oh,
sama naman ang serve na yan.
Parang it was hit sideways.
Masyado niyang yung target ang tinitingnan niya. Wala siyang eye contact doon sa bola
Sometimes, alam mo naman in a men's game, that's why also, we like to watch it because yung risk factor, ang laki kaya masarap panoodin. But yun naman yung flip side nun.
Yung flip side nun. Pag magandang ng result,
double violation, definitely.
Alam mo, siguro sabi ni Dulay, di ibahin ko, diskarte ko rito. Bistado ako ng referee.
Kaya kailangan, mapapansin mo dito talaga, dahil nga mabilis ang diskartihan, yung skill mo kailangan perfected.
Correct.
Diba?
That's why we
kahit anong posisyon ka, kailangan yung setting mo the same.
That's why we call them excellent sets.
Right.
Yan, malinis ang toss na yan. Nice pick up. Malalim. Galing ito number 15, si Kayaban. Tinaas. Palo, regalo. Ayaw.
Well, in the last time out, narinig nga natin yung mga coaches natin, reminding them of their defense. Hindi kasi sila nakakaroon yung, I'm talking about FEU, hindi sila nakakaroon ng first balls na magaganda. So, they cannot run their combination plays.
Kaya naman naalog ng sistema yung instituto ng first game. Ang lakas ng depensa ng sistema. Yung blocking nila is so solid. Andrade, si Goma. Ganda yung debate namin ni Barry Pasco kanina yun. At 47. Nakakatalon pa. Nung isang araw, tumakbo si Goma rito. Ang ganda ng block niya. Para lang akong teenager.
Oh,
sabi ko, Goma, it's all in the mind.
Oo nga. Kaya natin yan. May pag-asa pa tayo.
Oh, it's outside. Nice attack that time by Joshua Barica.
And FEU trying to cut the lead of RTU now to only 1. Ito yung gusto makita ni Coach Kid, yung tsaga-tsaga. Kaya siguro kanina pa lang, hindi na siya nagsalita. You wanted them to feel na you have to figure it out on your own.
Yes, indeed. Nice
Ano
play.
nga sabi ni Miyaka?
Go figure.
Go figure.
Minsan lang humirit yun eh. Nice block. Oh, pero check ball. Tabla po tayo sa 15. At tamang-tama si numero 15 ang magsiserve, si Joel Kayaban.
Combination from RTU.
That's a well-done play, and it's 16-15 technical timeout. String of points coming together.
Kumakapit. Diba? Because as you've said, yung sa UAAP ngayon, very well challenged na eh. Diba?
Iba na yung
FEU at saka yung UST.
Iba na yung balance of power.
Yes.
I'm sure Kid remembers the time when FEU was, power in the men's division. He had Shaq de los Santos, who's...
Edget Mabayan. Ang daming sobrang galing na players galing dyan.
Pangalan pa lang, lumilipat
Ramil
na.
Desus, oo.
Si Ramil nga pala, no? Who is now the coach of the women's team, of the Philippine women's team. The meantime, that is going to score. This is a tightly fought for sets of subs coming in as Villegas and Kamkam will check in. Why does this happen, Mosi? Na napapansin ko, at 16-17, dun magpapasok. Anong reason ito?
Well, fresh legs, for one. Diba? Gusto mo nang tapusin eh. Gusto mo, you want kasi half na. Tapos gato, dikit pa yung score. So, you want the team to pull away. So, by putting in new, siguro fresh legs nga, and baka mas may chance ka. And especially if malalim bench mo.
Okay, at saka you want a full front line.
Yeah, exactly. Tapos you change it when you need a full front line.
Yes.
Pag nasa likod ng setter.
Ay, sos, nakuha sa energy, Energy ang nagpropel sa FEU and they lead now by 2.
Dolor taking that last point. As you can see, FEU now with the full front line.
Iba talaga yung bagang coach tatay no? Tingin itong mga to kung ano oras umuwi. Parang ayaw umuwi ng late It's in the air. Picked up. Dolor. I thought they'd go to Dolor. It is out of there, and that's a connection by Franco Kamkam.
Kamkam, favorite natin yan. Pag nagsiselebrate after a point,
mukhang happy
pumps
boy.
up the team. Yeah.
Happy boy. 1916. Paborito ko si Rocky Hodrade. Pagka mag-block, iikot saka magta-trash talk Tapos saka ngingiti. Kakainis ako kung ikaw ang kalaban. Hinulugan. Papaluin ni Barica. Tinaas. Pwede.
Marmeto setting it to Barica. But that's wide.
Yan ang Mosi line. Too much juice.
Yep. And FEU with 12 attack points now. RTU having 8.
19-17 is the count, but 17 serving against 19 here. As we have the serve of Campoy. Huli ka.
Yes, late na rin. Na-late sa pagpalo ng bola yung quick hit na yun ni Dolor. So the block was just too ready.
Jaidal taking care of matters there. RTU still within striking distance at 18-19. Ito, no wasted serves at this point. Kam-kam.
Oh,
ay, wala. Flat, no?
Yes, nag-hang time siya. It's okay. Pero nung pinalo naman niya yung bola, nasa ilalim na siya.
Dapat hulog
Diba?
na eh.
So, kahit mag-hang time ka, basta dapat yung palo mo, yung peak pa rin ng bola or sa ibabaw. Ibabaw pa rin.
Ayun, nagpapaliwanag eh. Stress ng umaga mo, nagpaliwanag sa tatay.
Kasi okay din may hang time para syempre yung blockers
Malito.
pababa na rin. But still, you have to hit the ball on top. As Marica
Yeah,
gets
sinigaw.
a point.
Si Refugia, cheerleader eh. Pagka nagsiset siya, sumisigaw din siya eh. Ang daming ninja talaga dito sa men's tournament. 20-19, FEU trying to end this first set and hopes to end this series as well. Don't forget, for fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ay, regalo. Hindi tusok.
Regalo,
Hindi
but it's a
tusok.
net violation on Margate.
Ang regalo kasi may art yan eh. Pitik yan eh.
Pitik lang. Bilisan mo lang yung balik. Kasi sa mas madalas, yung kalaban naman would answer it with floor defense. So wala namang blocker madalas yung regalo. Unless nakadikit yung blocker.
Tsaka ang pitik
sa
nun
net.
may angulo konti. Para tumusok.
Oh,
Oh!
powerful serve.
Gustong iuntog ni Marmeto ang kanyang ulo dahil libero play yun.
Right, Jaidal. That's Abdul Majid Jaidal.
Mga libero naiinis pagka yung playable tapos hindi nila maitaas.
Nandun na halos sa kanya eh.
Oo nga.
Oops,
Out yan.
that's going to be a long one.
Si Gakutan gusto nang pumasok, sabi ni Marmeto, maya ka pa, huy. Andito pa ako sa likod. Pag-ikot, mamaya, pasok ka.
Of course, you have the Marmeto brothers playing libero for Coach Kid. Galing na magkapatid. Tapos parehong libero.
You wanna ask if Denden Lazaro has a sister who also plays
Pwede.
libero, no? Pero yun, magdodoktora yun.
Oo nga.
Papagamot ako ron.
Marami palagay ko.
22-21. Hindi, malubhan yung sakit mo, pero paliliwanag maayos na yun. 22-21. Pag si Eliza naging doktor, hindi pwede.
Babalibag ka no.
Hindi, nakangiti.
Lagi na. Akala ko, babalibag ka.
Di ba? 22 all.
Oh, it's really close. This first set is really close
Ayaw
between these two
magbigayan.
ball clubs. Alam mo rin you can see RTU that they want to extend this match.
Naman.
Diba? Extend this game. Chance for RTU.
Umaalog yung net. May nakatama. Kayaban, from the back row. Kayang-kaya i-muffle yun. Mali ang set. Mali ang set.
Nag-alangan si Dolahid. It was really close to the net. Yung position niya, hindi solid, hindi nakatalikod, hindi rin nakaharap. Parang nakatagilid siya. So, doon mo makikita na alangan. So, even yung pagkuha niya ng bola.
May have been better. Now, if he looks back, kung dinig niya no? Baka itaas pa niya na maayos. Alanganin talaga. Ito, clearer.
On a combination.
Si Sebastian talaga tinatago nila. Kaya ba, nice drop, but playable. Nagkagulo ng konti. Runner. Alain mo nakuha yun.
That broken play turned into a point for RTU.
Si Abdul talaga.
At tied pa rin tayo,
Oo.
partner.
Hanggang siguro, sino kaya sa atin ang may pinakamahabang set na ginawa? Yun ang gusto ko.
Isa
Maganda
pa
pala.
yun. Kasi may, di ba, nag-30 something in the
30.
fifth set. 31, 32.
Nice combination, pero malakas.
Combination play, but that goes out. So RTU gets the point.
And it's set point.
That's right.
Eto, FEU had a lead at 18-16 actually. Easy serve. Tinaas. Gakutan.
And Gakutan off the block hit.
Tabla tayo.
Nice them once again. Yeah, ito yung mga moments na if it's a young team, ito yung gusto mong titukan. Ano bang gagawin nila?
Ito yung mga tests yung mga crucible.
Right.
Naputo na, kinantsawan pa.
Oo nga.
Sayang, tumawid.
Sayang.
Tumawid.
Kaya man had the right thing in mind to push the ball, pero crossing violation ang naitawag.
He went all the way over, and it wasn't a simple tiptoeing along the daffodils. He just went over completely, and it's again set point for RTU. Ooh.
Oh, Dolor! That cross-court hit.
Ooh.
Very sharp.
Sino rin? Oh, man! Ooh. Talagang tusok, no? Pag maganda yung set, well, of course, maganda yung reception muna.
Yun.
And it was inabot na lang doon sa spiker. 25 apiece.
That was nice decision there by Dulahid to go to that back set, and they do get the point.
Tinago si Sebastian Nilayo sa quicker, nilayo doon sa kabila, pinadala sa likod. Third set point.
Combination, and Barrica hammering that one in.
Tabla tayo, 26 apiece.
And then Barrica, he really wanted this point,
Yes,
Seb.
yes.
And that's what you want, yung killer instinct na hindi magpapatalo. And now let's see naman sa RTU how they will answer this one.
Tsaka kailangan mo.
Sila na may opensa
Saka masarap may kakamping maingay si Barrica yun Pini-play by play. Bakit ba tayo nandito pa?
And that combination works for RTU.
Parmeto says, oh boy, I was there. And it is the fourth set point for RTU. Closing out is the hardest thing, really. Can you imagine during our time when it was side out?
Tagal, oras.
Just had to have an impeccable serve in those days. In the meantime,
Barrica once again.
Tabla na naman tayo. Bakit ko ba nabanggit who has done the longest set? Tuloy, 27 all.
Power of the tongue.
Oo, si Sherwin Malonzo, yung ating overall stats guy here, tatawa-tawa doon sa loob.
Pumaya, baka bigay sa akin ng stats dito, kasama na tayo.
You did a longest set. Nakakadinig mo si Sherwin. Bang! Tinaas.
Good read by King getting that.
Ala.
Ayan na naman ang RTU.
Ang galing nila maghanap ng butas sa backline, ha?
Right? And walang nagbibigay dito sa dalawang teams. You feel that they really want to win this game. Pareho.
Fifth set point. Nice serve. Miranda. Well done.
Yan yung diskarte, di ba, ng setter. Dito talaga magiging importante ang mga setter, especially sa mga sets or sa mga game na tulad nito. Habulan na habulan, 1 point, magkamali. Kumurap talo
Actually, it's nice to go to a lot of quicks when it's this particular part of the game kasi mas madali yung miska. FE wasting a serve. And then sixth set point. Eto na, papalong 30. Sorry,
Ayan, what you wished for.
Kalahin mo, 4 na set, puro 30, no? Tinaas, chance.
And it hit the antenna already.
Kaya nga napahoy si Coach Kid
Kasi sinignal na no atin line judge.
Hoy does many things in the Philippines. Whether you are insulted or not does not matter. Hoy does a lot of things. It helps in basketball, it helps in volleyball.
Only meaning. And back-to-back service errors for FEU.
Ending up being a little playful there. They were targeting a little off-speed shot but ended up backfiring. Seventh set point.
RTU answers with another error at the service line.
Ito na FEU. Margate will return to the game.
Sabi na next time, careful what you wish for. 30 plus nga.
30 plus nga. Baka 40 pa yan. Miranda.
Wag na.
I did one long
But you know, this is also hard kasi point after the 24th point, ano yun eh, pa isa-isang
Ah.
puntos lang. So,
And-
hindi
and
rin
it-
madaling gawin.
And if you remember, ladies and gentlemen, you have to win the set by at least 2 points.
Yep.
Margantes serve. Alanganin nito. Naging easy. Aha. Pinaluan.
Oh, and that was a smart move coming from FEU.
Mukhang miss-hit pero napasukan.
Soft touch lang kay Dolor. And nakita mo, he really angled his body to go to that spot. Kasi walang depensa ang RTU.
Boy, if RTU loses this one, they wasted 7 set points. Set point now for FEU. Oh, nako.
Eksakto sa ating referee. Pwede pa sanang kunin eh.
Tabla po tayo at 31. So, nakaisang set point na rin ng FEU. 7 naman itong RTU. Hanggang bukas ito, order ako ng tinapay na dinala mo kanina.
Oh!
Ay!
It was actually a good thing, you know, going for the dump ball, going for the second ball. Pero masyado lang mababa yung pagkapalo dun sa bola.
And Cayaban ended up with nothing. 8th set point. Dolor. Aha!
Oh,
Ah!
and a miscue! A miscue on the part of RTU. What a time for that.
They have now wasted 8 set points.
8 set points, diba? As to 1 for FEU.
By King. Huli. May pagod na ito, no? Ito yung gusto mo, yung sinasabi mo, test of wills ito.
Oh, and Barrica sending it into the net. Ito, and yung diskarte, ito na, lahat papasok na dito.
Ito, set point na naman tayo. Number 9.
Set point number 9 for RTU. May sagot pa ba ang young FEU squad ni Coach Kid?
Kasi na-frustrate na rin eh, no?
Ito na. Carlos Sebastiano on the line. Nice sure serve.
Si Barrica hindi umayaw to.
Hindi, kanina pa eh. Ang dami ng times na si Barrica, although siya'y nagkamali before this play, pero ito, bumahawi ka agad.
Kung ako si Refugia, puporsyento na ako kay Barrica. At this point,
Yan yung discard, diba?
Discarded this
Nandyan
point.
na.
Kasi wala pa siyang mintis na palo eh.
But you also have Dolor
Yep.
inside. Oh, and the power tip makes it.
Wow.
Ang ganda naman ng basa.
Number 6, that
Jaydal.
is Jaydal. And it is another set point. Pang ilan na? 10. Kasi galing 24 kanina eh.
Tama.
10 na ito.
Oh, and Barrica,
diba?
ayan pa rin. In spite of 2 blockers.
Kasi
Kasi masahod na yung isa doon.
he's willing it eh.
Correct.
Hindi siya magpapatalo eh. Nalipat siya sa kabila.
Attitude, diba? Yung character.
Porsyento ba sa Refugia? Tingnan natin. It is 34 apiece. My God, why did I ask about the longest set?
Parang scripted,
Oo
Seba.
nga eh. By King, got it. Wow!
Oh, and once again,
Masahod.
RTU. That's right. Masahod on that open hit.
This is one of the longest sets ever.
I-
Barry Puasco, I think I'm going to be the champion on this one.
Oo. Record holder. Oh.
Free ball.
Chance
Opportunity.
for RTU. Oh.
Yes. Finally, it ended at 36-34.
What a first set, partner.
11.
Ito laro. Hindi pa